You know what? We would go to the roof. We would buy a gun. Go to the 42nd floor.
Yeah.
And shoot the hawk. You get a gun first. A BB gun would work, right?
Oh, come on, you bastard. It's funny that there's now a...
Damn.
Oh, there, you got him, get him, yeah, get him, attack him,
Yeah.
get him, get rid of him.
This is so cool.
Come on, fly, get him out.
Oh my god.
Wow, they are so...
Has him right by the neck.
Yeah.
That thing's dead.
Get him.
That thing's dead now.
Yeah, big mistake to fucking fuck with the mama goddamn seagull. Jesus Christ. Now, you know what he's just do? Drop him off the friggin' building.
It's still a bird, though.
Yeah, that's right. You got that point.
It's like trying to drown a fish.
Jesus Christ.
Are you recording this?
Yep.
The mother, that bird is winning the battle. That friggin' seagull.
That bird has won.
Shit. Jesus
It isn't
Christ.
winning, it won.
Yeah.
It's not just winning, it's by winning.
God damn.
Oh, it's still alive.
Yeah, it's still alive. I mean, I would put my money on the hawk, but or whatever that thing is, but. Jesus Christ.
Not looking good.
I mean, I think if it let it go now, that thing would probably decide that it's
Not worth it.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
I think the mom's going to take the chance and end this while she can, though.
Yeah. It is hard to tell. Jesus Christ, it's really nature's. Uh-oh. You know, because
Oh boy.
that bird of prey has talons, big time
Yeah.
talons.
Oh, this may have just turned around.
God damn.
Oh, Dave, can you move out of the way? I want to slide down.
Sorry. Oh, I don't know what's going on, but it doesn't look good. It's got him by the legs or
Oh,
something.
yeah.
Damn. Oh, crap. Uh-oh. Yeah, see, the talons make a huge difference there. Shit.
Yeah, this seems like a deadlock right now. Oh. Oh, the talons are in, though.
I know, that's the thing. Come on. Oh, there's another bird.
Come on, other parent.
Yeah, come on. Damn.
Oh, shit.
Just go already. Go. I mean, that's not worth it. Is that worth a meal? He can go get a fish. Or, you know what I mean? It's like, it seems a little...
Where's the hawk now?
He's in the
It's
corner
in the
over there.
corner.
Oh, Christ. This is hard to watch.